So today I'm back with another wig review, and this is a synthetic wig that I received from this company on Amazon. I believe the company is called Fuhsi, and they sent me this Fuhsi Kanekalon synthetic wig. It's like basically wavy. It's a lace front wig, and the wig is constructed like a lace front that you would get like with a human hair wig that you would buy online from like AliExpress or any other wig company. It's constructed like that. It's not constructed like a beauty supply store synthetic wig. This wig is 22 inches and it has adjustable straps. It says it's soft and smooth and tangle free. So it comes in many different colors. I'm just on the website, the Amazon link right now, and it comes in so many different colors. I got it in this purplish color just because it's like something different from my usual style. I really like this wig. It is super duper soft and it is kind of tangle free. Even if it tangles, you could easily get out the tangles. I combed it like with a wide tooth comb to just detangle it, and I don't know, like you could see, like, so basically it's like straight and then it's like a deep wave at the bottom. I just really like this wig. It feels good. The only thing that I would say I would dislike about this wig is because of how the lace front is constructed, and because that it is synthetic hair, it's hard to pluck. I plucked a little bit at this side, but not a lot, because it's just so hard to pluck synthetic hairs and make it look realistic. It's way easier to pluck human hairs. The knots are so thick on synthetic wigs. It's just, I definitely would recommend putting some concealer. Like, I didn't pluck this side, and you can see like kind of like how full it is. And also, you don't need Got2b with this Got2b glue and the spray and the hairspray with this wig, because of the adjustable straps in the back. It just lays down. When I received this wig, it did come with a stocking cap, and it came with two. I have one on under this wig, so I thought that's really good that they gave me a stocking cap. And it also came with instructions on how to care for the wig, which all things come with. You could style this wig in many different ways. Like, you could part it, like, since it's a lace front, you could virtually part it anywhere. And you see how I just pulled that hair apart like it was a regular wig. Like, you could literally almost part it anywhere. Oh my god. Okay, this is my parting, guys. Another thing is, like, I don't know if you guys could see, but like it has like long beards. I'm just looking in a mirror because I can't see, but it has like long beards. So you I suggest that you lay that down with like a curling iron and water. I laid it down with a curling iron. I didn't even really need water. My curling iron was on like 365 degrees and it laid it down. I just really kind of just did a quick lay down just so that I can get this video out and so that you guys could see how it looked. I definitely would recommend this wig. I didn't even tell you the price. The price is only $54.99, and if you have Amazon Prime, you get free shipping, and yeah, you get free shipping in like 2 days. So yeah, that's totally awesome. $55 is a normal price for a wig. The wave and style is not something I would normally go for. I would more prefer if the wave went all the way up or if it was all the way straight. It is super duper soft. Like, I can't really run my fingers through it. Like, I have to kind of like detangle it. But it is, I noticed when I took it out the pack, it was softer than most. And it was so pretty when I took it out the pack. I'm going to include some pictures of the Amazon link and how the hair looked when I first took it out the pack. I just wish that the knots in the lace front were a little bit thinner because it's just so hard to pluck. Like, can you guys see the knot? Like, you could see the knots, and I can't bleach them because it's synthetic hair, so it's hard to like make it look realistic. I would say I could take some I probably could take some concealer or some foundation just to have it in the part right here if I wanted to, but I just didn't do that because I just wanted you to see the wig like in its natural state. I think the purple color is super duper cute. I've never done purple, like this kind of purple. I like this wig. I would give it an 8 out of 10. Maybe I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Just basically because I like my wigs to look realistic, synthetic or not. I want it to look as realistic as possible. So I definitely would give it a 7.5 out of 10. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all those good things that you can see when I first get these wigs. I showed this wig on my Snapchat like 3 weeks ago. So that means that you guys missed out and your guys are seeing this wig 3 weeks late. But you get to see this wig in its final form. I'll leave the link down below for the wig in case you guys are interested. And stay tuned for my next video because I'm finally going to be reviewing some human hair. So I can't wait to see you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.